experience in the semester.
Hi everybody, my name is Luis, I'm the group leader. Our project is called the Smart Power Optimization Monitor and Controller. This is Andrew Foy and Hojin Ko, they're in charge of software, and Samir Hosni and Samuel Kaysen, they're in charge of hardware development. Now, as a lot of you may know, smart meters are being installed across the country at an alarming rate. They're already commonplace in Europe and California, and there have already been 3 million installed in Texas. Now, with the help of these smart meters, electric companies can aggregate your data into 15-minute intervals and in turn charge more money. If you look at the top right, you can see a graph of the average household's consumption of energy. As you see, around 6 p.m., the usage increases dramatically. And with new tiered billing systems, electric companies will be able to charge you up to 4 times as much for usage during this time. So what we want to do is take that graph and flatten it in order to save you money. Now, if you take a look at the middle of the slide, you can see a simple diagram of the demonstration we're going to do for you today. We have a CPU that acts as the commander. It's connected to a modem with a Zigbee module for wireless communication. It has two-way communication capabilities with our relay board, which is also equipped with the Zigbee module. And that can control up to 4 devices. Now we have a current sensor that will communicate power consumption data back to the CPU and into a user-friendly graphical user interface, or GUI. A small example of the GUI is located right here at the bottom. A small example of the GUI is located right here at the bottom. So what the system will be able to do is basically take this information along with user inputs like maximum power consumption, time of day, and prioritize usage, and make decisions on when to turn on and off appliances. So you'll be able to do things such as make an appliance run at midnight instead of 6 p.m. whenever you're not being charged so much. You'll be able to block usage of certain appliances at around 6 p.m. Let's say your son's Xbox or something, and you're being charged a lot more for electricity. And you'll even be able to set a maximum amount of consumption that you want to be used at any time, and the system will make decisions on what to turn off in order to get below that maximum power consumption. We've also incorporated override capabilities just in case you really want to use that while we make it right now. So we had modified a power outlet monitoring device with a Zigbee module that would communicate power consumption data into graphs and logs of each individual outlet. However, unfortunately, that went out on us this past weekend and we weren't able to prepare it for the presentation today. But we do plan on incorporating one of these for each outlet connected to the device, along with the wireless relay technology, so it can be incorporated into a easily marketable product that would be ready to use right out of the box. So as these power meters are being installed across the country, they're increasing at an alarming rate. It's not a matter of if we're going to have to deal with these smart meters, it's a matter of when. And as they're being incorporated, we will be charged differently for electricity, and we will have to change the way we monitor our electricity. So our system addresses these issues and gives us an easily marketable product that will not only save us energy, but also save you money and make us more efficient in the way we use electricity as a whole. I want to thank you for your time, and I'd like to open the floor for questions.
You said you implemented the wall plug?
Correct.
Okay, so you could read what they were doing individually?
Correct.
Okay, that would open a whole new market for a different kind of wall plug that people have, which is good. I mean, that would be a whole market. So basically, you're using a smart meter to plot this graph. Are you expecting to tell a human what to do with it, or have all this equipment automatic?
Yeah, well, I mean, the equipment operates automatically, but you will have displays of your usage, so you can make decisions on what you want running at what time.
Okay, so I can load my dishwasher, and it'll turn on at 3 a.m.
Exactly, when you're not being charged as much.
Okay.
But is there any direct interface with the smart meter itself?
No.
Chose to implement it at the outlet level rather than like in the circuit box or?
Yeah, we do, it's at the circuit box and the outlet level. So you can monitor your whole consumption.
I just
and
meant the individual
consumption.
circuits in the circuit box. Wondered if that would be sufficient rather than having to wire it outlet.
I mean, I guess it's possible, but we have both right now.
But outlet will be good.
Yeah, we're all use, me, Sam, and Samir worked extensively on the hardware. Andrew was in charge of the software, and Hojin helped him out a lot.
How do you sense the current flow?
Just a normal current sensor. It's a typical.
You just bought something off the shelf that did that for you?
Right.
He says your main outlet was burned out, or?
Yeah, the device that we modified, it kind of went out, it's like fluctuated in and out, and it won't really send the data very well. So we're actually still trying to figure out what's going on with it.
Right. Let's thank our speakers.